Your back pain after 60 is not normal. Here's how to fix it.
Back pain after 60. Do we really have to just accept it as part of getting older? Many people assume it's inevitable, believing their bodies are simply wearing out. But what if I told you that this pain isn't a natural part of aging at all? In fact, it's often your body's way of sending a warning signal that something needs attention. And here's the real kicker. Most people unknowingly make small, yet critical mistakes that only make their pain worse. Stay with me because I'm about to reveal a game-changing technique that has helped thousands of people over 60 finally break free from back pain. It's something you may not have tried yet, and it could be the exact solution you've been searching for. Trust me, you won't want to miss this, because the difference it can make in your life is truly remarkable. If you've ever woken up feeling stiff or struggled with a sharp ache after standing too long, you know how frustrating and limiting it can be. But here's what you need to remember. You have far more control over your body than you think. That pain doesn't have to dictate how you live your life. And yes, it is absolutely possible to take back control and make it disappear. The truth about aging and back pain. The belief that back pain is just part of getting older has been passed down for generations. We're told to expect weaker muscles, fragile bones, and a loss of flexibility as we age. But here's the truth. Chronic back pain is not a normal part of aging. In reality, back pain is often the result of accumulated lifestyle habits. Years of poor posture, prolonged sitting, lack of movement, and even emotional stress. Yes, stress. When we feel anxious or overwhelmed, our muscles tense up, creating stiffness and discomfort in our backs. Think about it. Your body is incredibly resilient. It's built to adapt and recover, if you give it the right support. And the best part, you don't need drastic changes to start feeling better. Small, consistent improvements in your daily habits can make a world of difference. Let me introduce you to Helen. At 62, she had been struggling with back pain for years. Every morning, she woke up stiff, and standing for too long left her aching. She assumed it was just part of aging. She tried everything: doctor visits, pain medications, physical therapy, but nothing brought lasting relief. Over time, she stopped doing the things she loved: gardening, walking her dog, and even playing with her grandkids. She felt trapped in her own body, convinced this was her new reality. Then one day something changed. Helen stumbled across a video, just like the one you're watching right now, that challenged everything she believed about back pain. She realized that she didn't have to live with it. Motivated, she made small changes. She started sitting up straight instead of slouching. She added simple exercises to strengthen her core and stretched daily to loosen her back. At first, the improvements were subtle, but within a few weeks, something incredible happened. Her pain started to fade. She could walk farther without discomfort. She woke up without that familiar ache. Her energy returned, and for the first time in years, she felt alive again. Helen's story isn't unique. Thousands of people over 60 have found relief simply by addressing the root causes of their pain: poor posture, weak muscles, and lack of movement. And the best part, you can do it too. The common mistake most people make. One of the biggest mistakes people make is believing that back pain is just part of aging. They assume their bodies are breaking down and that nothing can be done. But that's simply not true. In fact, one of the most overlooked causes of back pain is poor posture. Whether you're sitting, standing, or even lying down, the way you position your body can either relieve or increase strain on your spine. For example, if you slouch in your chair or hunch over your phone for long periods, your spine is forced into an unnatural position. Over time, this puts pressure on your discs, tightens your muscles, and leads to chronic pain. The good news: this mistake is completely fixable. By making small adjustments to your posture, you can relieve pressure on your spine and stop the cycle of pain, without expensive treatments or drastic lifestyle changes. How to fix it. Practical solutions for pain relief. Now that you know back pain after 60 isn't normal, let's talk about how to eliminate it and start feeling better in just a few weeks. 1. Strengthen your core muscles. Your core is the foundation of a strong, healthy back. When these muscles are weak, your lower back is forced to take on extra stress, leading to pain. Simple exercises like pelvic tilts, bridges, and modified planks can strengthen your core and provide much-needed support for your spine. Start small and build up gradually. 2. Focus on posture throughout the day. Posture is one of the easiest and most effective things you can improve. Whether you're sitting, standing, or walking, keep your spine aligned, shoulders relaxed, and core engaged. Sitting. Use a chair that supports your lower back, keep your feet flat on the floor, and take breaks every 30 minutes to move around. Standing. Avoid slouching forward. Imagine a string gently pulling you upward from the top of your head. 3. Stretch regularly. As we age, our muscles become tighter, making back pain more likely. Daily stretching can restore flexibility and ease muscle tension. Focus on stretches that target your hips, hamstrings, and lower back. Gentle yoga poses are especially effective for improving mobility and reducing pain. 4. Use ergonomic tools and proper footwear. Your environment plays a big role in how your back feels. Make sure your chair, desk, and shoes support good posture. If you spend a lot of time sitting, invest in a chair with lumbar support. Proper footwear with good arch support can also prevent unnecessary strain on your back. 5. Stay active. Movement is the key to a healthy back. You don't need to run marathons or lift heavy weights. Gentle activities like walking, swimming, or cycling can keep your muscles strong and your spine supported. The key is consistency. Find an activity you enjoy and make it a part of your routine. The most important thing to know. Here's the most important takeaway. Back pain after 60 is a warning sign, not an inevitability. It's your body telling you that something needs to change. Ignoring it can lead to long-term issues like chronic pain, immobility, and even surgery. But here's the great news. You have the power to stop this cycle. Small, consistent adjustments in your daily routine can lead to huge improvements in your comfort, mobility, and overall quality of life. Think of it like brushing your teeth. A little effort each day keeps bigger problems away. Start now, stay committed, and soon you'll wake up feeling stronger, more mobile, and pain-free. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to watch my next one, where I'll reveal even more powerful tips and secrets to help you achieve lasting relief from back pain and regain your mobility. You won't want to miss it. Hit that subscribe button because your back and your health deserve your attention.